In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Node.js on your Windows. For it, just go to Google or any browser, then search for Node.js, Messenger, and here it gets the Node.js.org. Click here, and after you going to this website, you will see this button called download Node.js. So I just give this link in the description. So right now, if we just click here, it will start downloading. Directly downloaded the file, so we just need to download on this file. Just double click here. Then you will see something like this. Just click on next. You need to accept the agreement. Then click on next. And here it will show you where it will install Node.js. If you want, we can also choose the location. But I will recommend you to keep it the way it is. Then click on next. Then click on next again and make sure you are choosing this option. Just click next, and here it will say automatically install Node.js. Do not check this. I will recommend you just directly click on next, then click on install. So it will start installing Node.js. So this will take around 15 seconds, and then you can see this complete. So right now we just click on fix. And you have to check whether the Node.js is properly installed or not. Just go with your Windows search option. Say here CLD. Here it is the command prompt. And in the command prompt, you need to write node --version. Then press enter, and it will show you the Node.js version. It means Node.js is properly installed. So this is how we can download and install Node.js on Windows. I hope this was useful. Be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.